Alright, A. So, an Oriental rug is 52 years old and the Persian rug is 16 years old. How many years ago was the Oriental rug 4 times as old as the Persian rug? So, sa age problem, kinukuha nga natin muna yung mga entities o yung mga character natin. We have the Oriental rug at saka yung Persian rug. So, ito yung gagamitin natin variable nila. Pero, may actual value sila dito, di ba? Si Oriental rug is 52 years old daw at tapos si Persian rug ay 16. So, we don't have to find the age. Ang hahanapin daw natin is ilang taon daw, how many years ago was the Oriental rug 4 times as old as the Persian rug. Kumbaga, yung nakaraang taon daw, ay ilan yung past years na kung saan yung edad ni Oriental rug o kung gaano katagal man itong Oriental rug na to, that is actually 4 times the Persian rug. Okay? So, we create the equation by comparing again these two entities. Same process pa din. So, ito yung Oriental rug, ito yung Persian rug. Okay? Ngayon, ilang taon daw yung ibabawas natin dito para kasi it says na how many years ago. So, ilang taon yung ibabawas natin dito para yung edad ni Oriental rug is 4 times nung edad naman ni Persian rug. So, kung babawasan mo ito ng kung ilang taon man yon, syempre, ganoon din yung ibabawas mo dito. Okay? Kung yung previous videos natin, pag nagkaedad ka, ay pag nadagdagan ng isang taon ito, madadagdagan din ng edad ng isang taon ito. Okay? Dito naman, kung mababawasan ng isang taon ito, mababawasan din ito ng isang taon. Hindi pwedeng hindi sila magkapares na mababawasan kasi you're talking of the time, so kung 52 ka ngayon, last year 51 ka. Ito 16, so last year 15 ka. So dapat parehas mong babawasan. And you have to denote it na dapat yung ibabawas mo dito here are equal. That's why we're using the same variable na x. So here, ang sabi, pag binawasan daw natin ito, kung ano man yung time na yon, dapat daw, yung age ni Oriental rug is 4 times the age of the Persian rug. Ay after natin ibawas yung particular time na yon, ay kung ilang taon man yon. So, if we're going to create the equation, we have the Oriental rug minus the time, o kung ilang taon man ibabawas natin, is equal to 4 times yung Persian rug, ay bawasan din natin kung ilan taon man yung ibabawas natin kay Oriental rug, paras din dito. Okay? So that's why we have to denote it also with the same variable. Now, simplifying this one and substituting the value, we have 52 for the Oriental rug minus x is equal to 4 times 16 yung Persian rug minus x. Then that will become 52 minus x is equal to 4 times 16 is 64 minus 4x. Okay, lipat lang natin dito. Okay, okay, ilagay natin dito para maging positive na lang. Okay, so positive 4x, di ba? So magiging 3x is equal to 64 minus 52. That's equivalent to 12. So magiging x is equal to 4. Okay, so kahit pa ikot-ikuti mo yan, ay baka sabihin mag-iiba pag nilipat I just want to emphasize something here. Okay, so let me just solve this the other way. Ang gawin ko naman, gawin kong negative yung x ko, di ba? So magiging 52 minus 64 is equal to yung negative 4x at saka yung plus x. So magiging negative 3x, ito naman nagiging negative 12. Okay? So still magiging x kasi para sa mga silang negative, di ba? So x is equal to 12. Parang pinagbaliktad mo lang sila. Okay? Sige, baliktad rin natin. Okay? So x is equal to 12 all over. Tanggalin ko yung variable na 3. So x is equal to 4. So I just want to emphasize na yung sagot natin dito, kahit anong bali-baliktarin mo doon sa may negative sign na coefficient natin na x, yung variable natin na x, still it will give you the same result na positive. Okay? So ibig sabihin, ay up 4 years daw yung ibabawas natin doon sa edad ni Oriental rug at saka doon sa edad ni Persian rug para maging 4 times yung edad nung Persian rug, anong Oriental rug as compared sa Persian rug. So, i-check natin, check natin yung sa actual value. Kasi ang sagot natin is 4. So, pag i-check natin sa actual value yan, di ba? Yung Oriental rug is 52. Si person rag is 16. So, ang sagot natin is positive 4. Ito kasi yung baka possible na mamali ka, okay, mag-confuse ka, so baka baguhin yung solution. I just want you to show na etong solution na ito is tama na. Okay? So, pag pumunta ka sa checking, baka ang gawin mo, 52 plus 4, tapos ito 16 plus 4. If you check this one, this is 56, this is 20. Tanong, ito ba is 4 times as old as the Persian rug? Ay, 4 times ba yung comparison ng dalawa? Hindi, kasi 20 times 4 is 80. So, mali. Diba? Titignan mo mali. Uy, mali yata yung solution ko. So, baka mamaya, ulitin mo na naman yung solution mo and try to find out kung bakit mali. Okay? But the correct answer is that this is, tama naman ito. Ang namali ka lang is that, ginawa mong addition yung 4 dito. Kasi siguro sanay ka na nagsasolve na ina-add mo yung 4. Diba? Yung time. Pero actually, ang sabi, how many years ago? So, ibig sabihin, you have to subtract dapat. Kasi yung nakaraan yung kukunin mo, hindi yung pa-forward. Hindi yung magdadagdag ka ng taon, kundi how many years ago, ibig sabihin, magbabawas ka ng particular time na masolve mo dito. So, dapat yan ay subtraction. So, yung sa edad ni Oriental Rag, babawas ka ng 4, that will become 48. At doon sa edad din ni Persian Rag, magbabawas ka din ng 4, so that will be 12. Comparing these two, pag binultiply, pag ito ba is it 4 times, itong edad na to is compared here. So, 12 times 4 is equivalent to 48. So, ibig sabihin, tama yung sagot natin na 4. Malilito ka lang kasi baka ang gawin mo, instead na subtraction, gawin mo is addition. So, para hindi ka malito, I will show you a different way to solve this expression. Same pa rin, kaya lang gagawin mo na itong addition. So, let me just do it again. So, again, yung Oriental rag is 52, yung Persian rag is 16, right? So, hahanapin natin yung edad ni Oriental rag at saka ni Persian rag. Babawasan natin ng kung ilang taon, di ba? Ang ginagawa natin, mag-minus tayo ng particular time, dun sa dalawa. Dapat kung ilan yung ibinawas natin dito, yun din yung ibabawas natin dito. But rather than doing this equation, ang gagawin ko, i-add ko na lang. Why? Kasi pag addition yung operator ko dito, lalabas naman kung positive o negative yung time na i-add ko para magbalanse yung dalawa in such a way na yung edad ni Oriental rag is 4 times the Persian rag. So again, ang gagawin ko na lang is positive. Tapos, sasabihin mo, di ba sir, dapat subtraction yan? Yes, definitely subtraction. Pero gagawin ko na lang is positive. Tapos, lalabas naman dun sa result na value ng x o nung time natin kung positive o negative. Kasi, kung halimbawa 52, di ba? Tapos, ang lumabas dyan is negative. Negative x. So, magiging subtraction pa din yun. Hindi magbabago yun. It's just that, alam natin na ngayon na negative yung value, so alam natin sa mind natin na pabawas yun. We're talking of the past. Rather than makakuha tayo ng value na positive 4 at minsan i-interpret natin yan as addition. So, para hindi tayo na-confuse dito, ang gawin mo dito sa equation na to, you use always the addition. Kasi, ang tinatanong, ilang taon daw idadagdag? Di ba sa algebra natin, pwede ka magdagdag ng positive, pwede ka magdagdag ng negative. Kaya lang, pag magdadagdag ka ng negative, yun yung magiging subtraction. Okay? So, still, valid pa din yung expression natin na addition yung gagamitin natin dito. Magdedepende na lang yan doon sa value ng x kung positive o negative para maging subtraction yun o addition. So, solve natin o gawa natin operation nito ng expression nito. So, magiging 52 yung o plus x is equal to 4 times, again, ito yung Persian rag is 16 plus x. Okay? So, simplifying this one, this will become 52 plus x is equal to 64 plus 4x. Okay? Combining similar term, so magiging 4x minus x is 3x. Yung 64, ilagay ko sa kabila. Magiging 52 minus 64 is equivalent to negative 12 is equal to 3x. So, makikita mo na yung x mo is equivalent to negative 4. Okay? 12 divided by negative 12 divided by 3 is negative 4. So, malinaw na nakikita mo dito na yung i-add mo na years is actually negative 4. So, ibig sabihin, pabawas yun. So, kung gagawin mo ngayon yan, checking natin, 52 dito, 16 yung Persian rug, ito yung Oriental rug. Ilan daw yung idadagdag natin? Idadagdag natin ay negative 4. Dadagdagan din natin ito ng negative 4. So, in a way, nagdadagdag tayo, pero actually, ang mangyayari is subtraction kasi negative yung idadagdag natin. So, simplifying this one, magiging 48. Ito naman, magiging 16 minus 4 is 14. So, pag chinek mo, itong 14 by 4, itong 48 by 4 times na itong 14, yes, so this is correct. Ang pagkakaiba lang nito from the previous solutions that we have is that malinaw o kitang-kita natin kung ano yung magiging operations natin. Which should determine kung past ba o future yung ating kinukuhang time. Okay? Mas malinaw na pag ang gagamitin mo is addition. So, make it a habit na gawin mo na lang na addition yung gagawin mo dito na expression. Rather than magsusubtract ka, ay baka malito ka pa sa checking. Okay? So, I hope you get this one. Okay? So, this is the last problem that I'm going to share about the age problem. And then, I will just supply supplementary problem dun sa mga 3 variables.